I'm currently at the Anaheim Marriott Suites, and in this video, I'll share with you my thoughts about the price and elite benefits, the location of this hotel, the general amenities here, the room that I got, the food that I had, and then give you some final overall thoughts about this hotel. Let's start off with the price and elite member benefits. The Anaheim Marriott Suites typically cost just over $100 a night, although I sometimes see it go into the double digits before including taxes and fees. During conventions or other super busy times, I have seen this hotel go for double or even triple its typical amount. As a redemption, this hotel will cost typically between 30 and 40,000 points, so it's really not the best use of your Marriott points. If you're Marriott Platinum or above, when you check into the hotel, you'll be given the option of either bonus points or breakfast for two for every day of your stay. I opted for the breakfast, which I'll show you later on in this video. Since this is already an all-suite hotel, Suite Night Awards can't be used here. Now for the location of this hotel. The Anaheim Marriott Suites is just a little bit south of Disneyland and the Anaheim Convention Center. Right outside the entrance, there is a bus stop where you can take the ART Shuttle to Disneyland. Currently, this shuttle costs $6 per day, and it comes about every 30 minutes. If you are a larger group, it might be a little bit more cost effective if you took Uber or Lyft instead of the shuttle. On the other side of the parking lot, there are a few restaurants, and just across the street, there's a Target, which is nice if you need to buy any last-minute items. Now on to the amenities. The fitness center here is actually split up into two rooms, one for weight training and one for cardio. It has all of your basic equipment and is nothing too fancy. The pool is also relatively standard, and I will say that it was quite crowded with families in the afternoon. Upstairs, the hotel also has a laundry room. Now let's check out the room. The bedroom and the living room are separated by a door that can be locked, and the bathroom does lead to both the living room and the bedroom. The soap, shampoo, and conditioner are from Aveda, while the bar soap and the body lotion are from This Works. As you can see, the sofa in the living room opens up into a bed, and there was an extra blanket and pillow in the closet. Another thing that was a little bit hidden at first glance is the mini fridge that's behind the doors that are underneath the TV. While the suite might look a little bit outdated, a manager told me that they're planning to do a renovation. It just got a little bit delayed due to the illness that was spreading around. Hopefully they'll be able to get started by late 2022 or sometime in 2023. Now I'm going to talk about the food. On the night of check-in, I went to the hotel restaurant to have dinner. There, I ordered a chicken sandwich with a side of salad. I was happy to see that the side salad was actually a little bit larger than what you would typically get as a side. As far as the sandwich is concerned, I thought that the texture of the crispy chicken and the bun really worked well together. At breakfast, there were more pleasant surprises. This hotel has a greater variety of items than I typically see at other hotel breakfasts in the area. In addition to the regular breakfast foods, they also have vegetables and this chef special that changes every day. Additionally, you can also order waffles and omelets. One thing that you can add to your omelets that you don't see at that many other places is goat cheese. It's not for everyone, but I thought it added a lot of flavor to my egg white omelet. For drinks, in addition to regular and chocolate milk, you could order things like coffee, apple juice, and orange juice from the waiter. So I'm back at home and ready to give a few concluding thoughts about the Anaheim Marriott Suites. This hotel is a great option if you're looking for larger suites at an affordable price and you're okay with the location. I've been to many of the hotels in the Anaheim and Garden Grove area, and the breakfast here is one of the best. I will say though that if you're looking for the newest updated rooms, then you might want to wait until this hotel is able to get renovated, or you should look into the Sheraton and Delta hotels next door, which I will have a review up as well. Those will either appear on screen, or if they're not uploaded yet, you can click the subscribe button and notification icon to be notified when they come out.